At COMOSO, we specialize in hydraulics and pneumatics, seals, industrial automation, hose and fittings and connectors. COMOSO is a really a multifaceted company that is driven into the industrial sector of the business.
They operate 10 locations throughout Southern California, Northern California, Arizona, and Las Vegas.
You know, the day that this really began was I walked into the office and saw these big stacks of paper everywhere, and that was all the scanning that needed to be done. And I said, wow, looks like a lot of work. I'm thinking to myself, that's a lot of money. So we started to look for solutions to improve the processing time of our scanning and document control. And my first question was, well, what does Canon Solutions America have? Because we have Canon copiers and scanners everywhere in the building to provide us a solution for the problem. They came to us and said, yeah, well, we have this product. It looked like it was going to fill a need. Therefore, is a document management solution for us that really provides us the ability to go in, find information quickly with a full text search, extract the information that we need, and it can be used by any of the users that are on our network.
The implementation was very simple. Working with the technician or the implementation engineer, we were able to walk through all of our processes and translate those into how it works inside Therefore. And not only just from an engineering side, but also from an end user perspective. Because the goal with this project was to empower our users to have the information they need to be able to assist our customers better.
Therefore, it's really changed our business in a lot of ways, especially in our ability to process the documents through the system because it scans them very quickly. What used to take 20 minutes now takes a minute. We have a lot of paper savings associated with Therefore because before what we would have to do is we'd have to print that document out and then scan it. So basically a buyer or a person in the accounting department or inside sales can put a document right into Therefore directly from the computer without having to print the document out.
With our implementation, we did full keyword searching. So we scanned all of the text as opposed to pieces of the text. So when I sit down to find a purchase order or an invoice, I just put in whatever I know about what I'm looking for.
When a customer calls in, they need to have tracking information, etc. So we're able to go to Therefore and retrieve that document fairly quick.
The biggest features is just the ability for our field staff to be able to have a central location to pull everything up. One of the biggest pieces of workflow change I saw is we had a paper process where returns would come in, and this paper would travel around the organization, including locations. So the document may start in Santa Ana, go up to Bakersfield, and then come back down to Santa Ana, and it had to be physically signed by multiple people. With the Therefore process, we were able to create a workflow where it just travels inside the system. Saves a lot of time and energy.
Well, I use Therefore with all the documents that come in from our 10 locations, and it helps me to capture the paperwork when I'm scanning it and to organize and to manage.
We save a lot of money with this product, it's kind of gone throughout the entire organization. Therefore, it's really done a good job of enhancing our bottom line by reducing the number of hours, allows us to define processes internally so that we have some more structure to some of these scanning processes.
So we have no OT, we have no more filing. It's just been a tremendous software package.
So what used to be a whole row of filing cabinets is completely disappeared. We had boxes and boxes of paper. All of that's gone.
The benefits associated with Therefore far outweigh the cost that we paid for it.
I would recommend the Therefore product to other businesses in our situation. It's made life easier for our IT staff.
We would recommend Canon Solutions America to a lot of different companies that have the need for document control and workflow management.